There are 5 things that I will never do as someone who has a vagina.
Number 1, I won't use toilet paper.
I do a good job doing the deed down there. I don't need it.
Number 2, I don't use any soaps, no scrubs, definitely no body washes, absolutely nothing but water to clean. Your vajayjay is naturally self-cleaning, and anything you potentially put down there, especially if it's scented or contains certain chemicals, can throw off your natural bacteria and your pH.
Number 3.
This might be a hot topic, but I don't use tampons, I don't use pads. In fact, I free bleed.
I have the luxury of having fairly light periods, so I don't necessarily need these items. I understand that a lot of women do, including my own girlfriend. I will opt to just bleed. Number 4. I'm sure this is a pretty obvious one given the ones I've already said, but I will never douche. I'm sure me saying that will make for a very nice meme at some point in time. Your vajayjay is not supposed to smell like a field of strawberries or roses or vanilla. Your natural smell is amazing.
Number 5, wearing tight clothes and underwear without allowing to breathe.